Welcome, my friends, to a new day and a new video. Today's recipe is crispy potato rings in a new way. Have you heard the sound of the potato shark? You will like it. Thank you for your interaction in the previous videos. We need 450 grams of potatoes. We peel the potatoes and cut them into potato cubes. Then we add water to them and we boil the potatoes for 15 minutes after that. Finishing the boiling process, we filter the potatoes from the water and then mash them while they are hot. Dear viewers, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. This helps me in growing the channel. After finishing mashing the potatoes, we add salt and white pepper to it as desired. Then we add 110 grams of cornstarch and mix on the ingredients together until it becomes a smooth and pliable dough. Then we add 10 ml of ES cooking oil. My friends, do you prefer to eat potatoes? Write to me in the comments. My family and I prefer them very much. The crispy potatoes make me feel happy when I eat them. They are also served as a type of appetizer on the dining table, and I think most people prefer it as my friend or girlfriend. I will be happy if I read your opinions about my recipes in the comments. From which country do you see me? After the potato dough has become smooth and pliable, we begin to cut it, as you saw, into 20 pieces and form them into small balls. After completing the formation of the potato circles, we begin to form the potato rings, as you saw. It is very easy and has a strange appearance. I have previously told you that I am a chef who cooks Eastern desserts and Western sweets and pastries as well. I made this recipe and it has become popular in my workplace. My friends, you can shape the potatoes as you want. I prefer eating potatoes with a ketchup. Do you prefer them with ketchup or mayonnaise? After finishing, forming potato rings, we add cooking oil to a bowl and wait for it to heat up. And fry it in this way, as you have seen. And you can also, my friends, fry it without butter paper. The frying process is at a fairly medium heat until it becomes golden in color. Today I visited a relative, my family and I, and we ate lunch. I took a plate of potatoes with me, and everyone was amazed by the crunch and deliciousness of the potatoes. The children were very happy and did not want to return home. My family and I prefer social relationships with relatives, friends, and neighbors as well. Do you prefer this, my friends? When I fry or cook any type of food, I do not prefer the presence of children in the kitchen to preserve their safety, my loved ones. In the upcoming videos, I will share the recipe for grilled potatoes, which are also delicious. Have you seen the potatoes, which are golden and beautiful in color, and their shape has not changed during the frying process? Tell me, did you hear the sound of the shark? It is delicious and enjoyable. At the end of the video, my friends, write to me in the comments if you like the recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates, and share the video with your friends. I hope you always stay in good health. Thank you for following me, and I wish you a happy day. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.